Hello everyone, welcome to week 2. This week we'll be looking at chapter 16 and 17. Now I know that's pulling double duty and all, but it's one of those necessary things. We're going to have a few weeks where you have to do more than one chapter. That's just one of those things that happens. Alright, so when we open the module here, what we'll find is several things. I have a lecture for chapter 16. I also have one for chapter 17. And these are just some additional items that you can go through. There's an outline. There's author videos written by the textbook authors. We have some flashcards help you with vocabulary. We have What's It All About, which is kind of an overview of what's happening. And then we have some things that are of interest that may help with your understanding of each chapter. And then, of course, we have the review quiz. You can take the review quiz as many times as you like. It doesn't count towards the gradebook, though, but it is good practice. What will count for your grades is discussion board post 1 and the chapter 16-17 quiz. Don't worry about this sign-up quiz. That's not something that you'll see. But be sure to complete both the 16-17 quiz and, of course, discussion board post 1, which, of course, asks you about corporate personhood. That was an 1886 case where the Supreme Court ruled that businesses were people. And, of course, there are several questions I want you to address in the discussion. The discussion has a minimum of 250 words. You need to leave a substantive reply to 2 of your classmates' answers, not just great job or great post or I agree. Something of substance. Now, you will have until this weekend to complete your answer, and then you'll have till September 10th to complete your classmate responses. I will grade them after September 10th so that you will have a grade for that. And, of course, this goes without saying, any kind of derogatory, profane, threatening, or abusive language towards anyone will not be tolerated. You do that sort of thing, you'll get a 0, and if I need to, I will report you to either the administration or the authorities, depending on the situation. There are some resources here about corporate personhood, if that's something that you are just completely blank about. There's some articles here. I've made the point to pick from both sides of the argument on those. And I just noticed there's one on here that's twice. I'll correct that, and you won't have the same article twice. But I'll go back and correct that. Anyway, if there's any questions or concerns, please let me know, and I will see you Wednesday night if you choose to drop by at 7 on Zoom. And if you have any questions or anything, you can bring them to me then. Thank you very much.